looking at this spike, if you can check, there's a spike here. This spike, it already tells us, if you can check, let's check from the breakout, 82 to 64. That's about what, 10, 15 pips. It broke out there, and then, but the issue about it, that's what I like to tell people. The issue about this thing is that it didn't break out. Let me tell you what is a breakout. A breakout is when price breaks out of from the key levels, and then closes outside of them. You get what I'm saying? Look here, went out, broke out, closed outside. If you can zoom here, it closed outside. Let's check here something. You see the close. This close shows this close is an open, high, low close. This is a close. It closed outside, below, just below. This already tells us that it's a breakout. So when it closes outside, we sell already. We sell, take profit. That's it. We look for the next key level where the market can reverse. And then look at this level now. It spiked. It tried to break out, failed, spiked. It's back to the zone again. So I am expecting the market right now at this stage to come back to this level. And I think at this level, that is where we are going to see what's going to happen going forward. From here, if it comes back into the zone, then I know that it's coming back now here. This is our first TP. But if it fails again, then I'll know that it's really going to collapse. So I'm really waiting and going to see. It's going to be very interesting. Looks awesome. Remember, the market in everything that it does is doing the same thing over and over again. The market always does the same thing over and over again. It does only, it breaks out, it retests, it continues, or fails to break out, or then it bounces from there. It keeps on doing one thing over and over again. It's just that we have different names for these things. Someone will call it the gun lines. Someone will say no, because even if you can put the 61, the Fibonacci here, you'll find that it's a 61.8 level here. So it's just, the market is just doing so many things, so many same things, but with different labels, different names, and different techniques to view it. So Wyckoff theory, it's really a very powerful theory again, but that's not the only one. There's another one called Quasimodo. And if you can check Quasimodo or the QML, you start to see that this is the same thing, because this is the QML here, the double bottom. But you check with another name, you'll find that, oh, someone will call it that there's a strength of price, there's this. Everything is the same, but at the end of the day is how we want to view the market. So you want to take an approach that is going to work for you and see what's going to happen. But now you need to be having a very serious guidance of someone that can show you what works for them, and maybe you can adapt or implement that. So this looks very exciting. This is going to be extremely exciting. Remember what happened? It broke out from here, went there, came down, tried to even come back there, couldn't, went down. Now it's back again here. So this level here, very interesting zone here. Very interesting zone here. Very, very interesting. This level is an interesting zone. Let me just mark it. This one. This is a very interesting zone. Very interesting zone. Very, very interesting zone. Very interesting zone. Why? Because of now, if the price can break this one, that means there's no more. Remember, there's a lower low. What makes a trend? What makes a trend is a lower low structure, when the market keeps on going down, up, down, up, down. But now, if the price comes back to the last high and it breaks it, it's no more lower structure. It's a new pattern completely, and then we start to look for something different. So this level, actually right here, before we even talk about this one, I think this level right now is going to tell us a lot of things. So guys, let's see what's going to happen. Interesting stuff, powerful, wonderful. It's a clear buy. It's a clear buy because of you look at what I said, that it was coming, it broke out, came here to retest, went down, came here, trying to come here, couldn't, made a lower low, came down again, looked like it's a breakout, fake out, by the way, it's called a fake out, went out, came to test this level, which I said is a determining factor on Nasdaq, and then shot up. That's it. Extremely beautiful, extremely beautiful. extremely beautiful. Extremely. Look what's happening. It's going exactly where it started earlier on. Look what's happening. Absolutely, guys. That's wonderful. This is Reference Shaman. Thank you for tuning in. We're not done. Many more videos are coming up, and wow, unbelievable. Absolutely. Sure. Look at it. Look at it. I'm telling you, like it or not, it's coming right here. It's coming just here. This is it's coming now as I'm talking to you now. It will happen maybe in a few minutes. Now. It won't even take long. Now. At the high. The market cannot just turn anyway. I spoke about zone to zone. Zone to zone, it is from one zone to the other. From this zone to this zone. From this zone to this zone. From this zone to this zone. There's nothing just the market just turns out of nowhere in the blue suddenly. No. Guys, wonderful. See you soon. Stay tuned. Look. It's coming straight there. It won't even play games. Sure. Absolutely. What a stunner. This is the profit, the level. If maybe you could have entered here after this break here, this was going to be your TP. Even if you see you are late, you enter here, this was going to be your TP. Still 50 pips. That's wonderful. With Nasdaq, a lot of money. Look. I said it. Look at it there. It's there. Thank you. Power. Let's go. It's time.
Yes,
It's time.
I can tell.
It's live and it's happening. We've got only about 8 minutes left right now. We're going to be trading live right now on the forex market. Many years in the industry. So certainly. Guys, I'm hoping that we're with Mr. Tusom, as you can see, very excited. We're also showing how the markets work. So it's very exciting. Well, anticipation in the market is that there will be at least, let me see. Let's see what is anticipation in the market. But some are anticipating that the US dollar will be, let's see here.
I want to see how.
Some are anticipating that the US dollar will be below 255,000 jobs, which means the US dollar might not do any well. And then we might find ourselves trading the Euro USD. And then, so I only trade two charts as a matter of fact. It's the Euro USD, and also it is also the gold. That's it. Because now when you understand how the gold works, you understand exactly how the euro works, because they do what we call correlation. So correlation in the market is what we're looking for. So very exciting.
I'm gonna put you on loudspeaker. I'm not
we were just on the studio right now, and then I'm a chance. I can do everything I want. So I wanted to give out the signals live on air. Right? Then we are getting advertisers who are saying they see me on Facebook wanting to give out signals, and I must buy the slot. Hey! So we are very lucky. I almost made history, but I will still continue to make history. Let's see what is happening. Let's see what is happening. Remember, guys, Euro USD. By the way, the market goes very fast. It might go so fast that I don't have any time to give you the signal. So the quickest thing that you must do, look at this. This is a trick now. Is to look at the 15 minutes chart of whatever pair that you'll be trading, which is Euro USD. I want to say that, and also gold. Check gold, but with a very low lot size. So open up gold. Open up also the thing. Mr. Shumza is also on air. Yes, he's on air. Shuman is on there. Shuman. Oh, okay, Shuman is on there. Shumani, how is the market looking at on your side? Shumani is the first person who is my first partner in forex trading. We started trading together while we were still young, and then he's one of the guys who always motivate me and also show me some other things. But this is what we do for a living. So guys, watch this please. I always like to say poverty will be shaken.
You know what to say?
Oh, okay. We started off slowly, but I think we're going to get back when the league offers again and do our best to start winning games again. I think it is enough because we can go back to the drawing board and just fix the minor changes, minor problems that we need to just get the team back going again. You know, so it gives us all time to prepare mentally, physically again.
Mr. Pasani? Mr. Pasani? No, this is myself speaking. How's everything looking on your side? What do you anticipate? What do you anticipate? Yes, which currency do you anticipate to go high or low?
Guys, can I just get a few? Can I just get a few people liking the status right there? Okay, guys, go to the EURUSD right now quickly. And one end. Okay, let's do this. Can we see more likes on the thing? 2 minutes left. So I'm assuming, as I told you guys, the market is super fast, super fast. It might just go so quickly that you might not even have time. But the gold, listen to me, go to gold right now and trade gold with me. The EURUSD will indicate to us exactly what is going to happen. This is a very serious market maker secret. Really, I don't really see why they're making it so obvious to analyze the market. Well, I don't know. Guys, few seconds left. Few seconds left. So what's it? Okay. Repeat.
Even if I lost the championship for 1 point,
Gold. 1 second.
That's why it's very emotional for me to be here and say this.
So,
now, but,
anything that happens inside, we must apply.
everything I achieved.
It looks very up and down right now. Any long side, any long direction, we are on it. It looks like it's going down. Let's just look at it. Let's look at the spike this side. Let's look at it. I'm just teaching you how the market makers work. They look at the highest level. This is my resistance pass. Let's look at them. Nothing big yet. Nothing. What are the results? Okay, we are finding the euro just spiking up and down. Let's wait and check how it goes. Gold is already spiking up. Okay. The news might be very negative for the US dollar. Let's quickly check the news, and then with the news we will see exactly what happened. Shumani, what did the news say?
It's still live.
Mr. Pasani?
Okay, the news came out very negative. The news came out very negative for the US dollar, guys. It's a clear buy for the gold, and it's a clear buy for the EURUSD. There's no doubt about that. And I'm expecting it to go up to very serious levels. Depending on your lot size, we will see exactly how much you can make. But I'm already going in. This is a nice thing. It's already going up. So I'm buying on gold. Ne? I'm buying on gold. I have bought on gold, and then as I have bought on gold, it's a clear buy, by the way, because of the news. The news came out negative for the US dollar. So do expect the market to just play up and down. But the news came out, I think 151,000 jobs for the US. So just expect it to hit a low level and then a rise. But for the rest of the day, it must be looking very great out. Remember, something that you must learn, especially during the NFP times, is that now in the market, what you must understand is that there are two people. There are buyers and the sellers. So the buyers also thought maybe the market will go up, and they bought. The sellers also thought the market will go down, then they sold. But when you understand how you can form equilibrium within the two, is to see what is the other guy doing. And when there's more force in the buying, you must step back as a seller. And if you want to continue now selling where there's a buying trend, you might make profit because it does go like this, but in the long term, you might not be. So our indicators are telling us that the dollar went very bad. So come and check this out as well. So let's make more analysis at the same time. How is it going this side? Okay, no problem. So guys, let me just check how many. If ask me how to help you, which one are you analyzing right now? As we are looking everything for our gold already. My gold is already coming very near. Remember that we are trading with very high lot sizes. The market, we work with the market. The market listen to us. We might be seeing a lot of profit right now. I think I'm already in profit. I'm already in profit. I mean $5,000 profit, as you can see. I mean $5,000, $7,000 profit. I mean $7,000 profit. This is live. Just show them this is live, live, and come back here and show them this $5,000 profit. I'll be taking some few profits so that I can let other traders run. 1.5. So I just closed about $6,000 profit. No problem. I'm not done. As I've said, guys, the gold did go up. So I'm looking for another pullback, then I go up again, because for the rest of the day it will be going up. I'll be making a lot of money. As a matter of fact, I can't believe it. And such a Friday. Let's see what's going to be happening. So guys, Mr. Shumani, how's it going that side? The Euro USD is one tricky currency. Do not ever think that you are on another level with it, because Euro USD, you must understand that it is highly manipulated by market makers. But when the market makers are focusing in manipulating the Euro USD, we are busy making profit in the gold section, because now the gold is only influenced by the market makers when they've got the partition to do so with. I mean, okay, the Euro USD is performing very good. So guys, as you saw, just now we just profited about 5.5. Let's just check. Let's check how much this is. By the way, this money is not necessarily for me. This money is not necessarily for me to enjoy. This money is necessarily for the people, because as you know me, Refoin, I like to make money and I like to give a lot of people. So I've made a lot of attention by this stand of mine of always saying to people that I'll make you a millionaire. But the thing is, what people are not aware of is that they do become millionaires. In about 2 minutes, we made about 80,000. He's already in profit of this. Just close it there. Okay, let me just do this thing. I don't know what is it. Okay, guys, they're trading in our market. He's closing. Just showing them as they're closing the profits.
3,000.
Where's my platform?
3,000.
Guys, the Euro USD, everyone is in profit right now. I'm guessing that everyone is in profit. Everyone is supposed to be in profit as I'm talking to you.
I just closed the $2.9, ladies and gentlemen. Gonna have a good time this weekend.
It's already in profit. Everyone is supposed to be in profit. Everyone is supposed to be in profit in the Euro USD. Everyone is supposed to be very rich right now. Everyone, I just took some more trades in my gold. I'm expecting at least another $7,000 profit on my side. Let's see what happens in the profit sections. But everyone is supposed to be in profit. Everyone, if you're in profit, tell me right now, like my status on Facebook, let everyone know that Refoin is a real guy. Refoin, because people right now saying this Refoin, and they're forgetting that I'm the only person in the history of South Africa who has been able to give out people cars, who has been able to give out houses, who has been able to give out money. What have they done, these millionaires, with their money? What have they done, these billionaires, with their money? They've done nothing. I'm the only person who came out there and gave people money. Where are they? So they come and call me a scam artist, and I'm giving people money online for free. Come on. I don't know. I really don't understand. So please, guys, some more likes. Someone said there's going to be a margin call. He was saying I'm going to be stupid. Yeah. So guys, as I said, I'm pleading with you to believe in my vision, believe in my goal, believe in what I'm doing. Understand that what I'm doing it for the people, and the people must be part of it by all means. Thank you so much, guys. I'm done. 7 right now. This is how I start my early mornings every single day, Monday to Friday. I start my trading with a few factors. I check 2 things. Number 1, the first thing that I check my fundamentals. As you can check on one side, my things are playing there.
everything is live, it's happening right now. I check what is happening in the market. You know, most people, they lose money in forex trading. Even in stock, they lose money because they are not aware what is currently happening in the news. Okay, secondly, I check my technicals. If my fundamentals are clear, there is no Iraq bombs, there is no bombings, I come to my technicals. And in my technicals, I make sure that it's working nicely. As you can see here in this place, in this way, there is the stochastic there. The stochastic is appearing. I can check everything on my stochastic. I look at my overbought zones. I look at my oversold zones. I look at what is happening right now. And then there is a platform that is a very, 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 very rare that you will find traders in South Africa using. This is the one. Because it is used by institutional traders. This platform is a very advanced platform. It is not your normal MetaTrader 4. This is a very advanced institutional trading software. So it's actually very expensive for you to trade with this software. MetaTrader 4, it is a free chatting software that people are used to. But it is not the only one. There is institutional software that gives you more resources, such as live TV, such as live news. You get things fast before anyone. These are the platforms. You pay like 30,000 rand per month. They depend. So you hire these platforms. So I think it's important that everyone, before they start trading, especially you, my members on the group, make sure that you check your fundamentals and then technicals. Is the market on overbought? Is the market on oversold? Take action. Take action. Set your targets.
I quickly go out. There was someone who was asking me questions, and I decided to just let me wait a little bit for the US session to come in. Okay, the news came out on US dollar. The news came out. The other one is negative. The other one is positive. But it looks like the main one is this one. Of course, there's others coming at 5 p.m. I don't know what's going on with this one here. Actually, I don't even know what's happening. So, with this one. So, I also came in, put my technical stuff on, and drew the trend line. And I've seen how the market has been respecting the trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know. So it's really on the trend line here, fighting there. So I said to you today, we're not looking at technical analysis. Normally we would say to you, sell. And I think if you remember the last signal I gave you, I can't remember when was it. There was a signal I gave you last time. I even made a video. I said to you, I got this signal because of I was able to see the pattern. I even went to my, if you remember, I even went to my board there, and I said to you, you see the patterns, the big boy master pattern. So it's exactly that. This is exactly. So technically, I don't want to lie to you. Technically, as I said even earlier on, technical they say sell, fundamental say buy. But because I'm a fundamental trader, I'm going to be stubborn with my buy because of we'll sell, and I've got so much experience. For me, it's clumsy for me to say you must sell when I know with experience that always the market, it will look like it's selling technically, and then fundamentals eventually kick in. Then you just see a candle coming out of nowhere there, and then now and then you end up going. It's like I don't know what I'm doing now. So one thing about trading, I don't follow sentiment. I don't follow what people are doing, or I don't follow what the market is doing. No, I follow data, logic. You see. So yes, technicals are saying sell, as I said, but fundamentals are saying buy. And in all my experience that I've been trading for the past 10 years, fundamentals will always kick in sooner or later. And when it kicks in, it wipes out all the sellers, all of them. All of them. People sell houses, people sell cars because they don't know what happened. They overexposed their accounts. And so I've seen with experience, so I can't say to you, you must sell when I know that with experience, it's never like that. Rather, let me be wrong. Rather, let us be wrong and say, okay, we wanted to buy it sold. Okay, it's fine. But following a logic, following a system of rules. I think people who always want to follow what the market is doing don't really have a system of rules that they are following. You are following your own things. You are just guessing. Or you just see, oh, selling, sell. But there's no system. There's nothing that you are following that can back you up. You see. So me, I'm backed up by facts. I took this decision. I gave out the signal of a buy, backed up by facts. Let us be wrong based on facts, but not on emotion or my feelings or what I think. I can't give a signal to over thousands and thousands of people with a thought, just a think. I think this. We don't want to think now. Let's have logic. What happened? I went through the data. I studied the data. Everything is there. The data is there. Everything is there. I studied the data. I studied the other one here. Very serious data. I studied it. Been reading it actually since the morning. Since I gave the signal, I've been studying data. And I'm a trader that is very stubborn. I like to, see if really I'm on the right track. So guys, the data, everything fundamental says buy. Technical, of course, it says sell. But experience says don't sell. Wait for the buy. So guys, I'm going to go out now. I was waiting a little bit with you for the US session. It's now the US session has already opened, 30 minutes in now and nothing yet. And then I hate it's like that NFP last time when we waited the whole day, as if we waited the whole day for the NFP. I don't like the ones that take too long. Something is happening when something takes too long. I don't like things that take too long. So I went through everything. I went through the gasolines. There's so many things. Fundamental is not just this number 57.7. It goes deep. There's so many things that we read. When I say to you, I'm analyzing data. We're looking at so many things. We want to see what's happening. Okay, retail monthly variation, electronic appliance stores. Okay, the people are buying food and beverages. Okay, gasoline stations are pushing. Sure, sales are increasing. This is fundamental. Good people, I'm out. This is Refo Shaman. You'll send me results, those who win. In closing, I want to say that every profit that I'll make here today, I'm going to share it with the first 100 people to send me results. So if we go into profit and we make profit, if we get triggered, make profit, it shoots up. Like if it really goes the way we want today, I want to give back and give some of the profits too. So the first 100 people who will be sending me results or shaya or whatever, anything, just to force a positive energy, I'll send you something. I will see with what method. Power.
You'll see the price comes down, up, down, up. With this alone, we can already predict what can happen next. So indeed, we do predict that the price will go down. As a matter of fact, when this happens, we wish that we can quickly see something like this again, going up, and then creating the same stuff that we see here, which is exactly what is happening here, and then down again. So every single thing that is happening on the market, it's the same thing over and over and over and over again. Now, what you must know is that when you are in a trade, for example, when you are in a trade, you see it goes down, goes up, down, up, down. When you are in this downward trade, this trade, you just want to make sure that you have an account that is sufficient so that when this happens, you can still stay in the game. So I don't know what makes people think that the market will just do this. It's not possible. It's already telling us that it doesn't go like that. It goes like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So sometimes you can be lucky that you're in this part when it doesn't, and you can even make your profit here and you're out. But sometimes you find that you're still in and it goes up. Many people, they go out here. Then it goes down again. It goes up. Many people, they go out. It's happening over and over again. Here, many people, they go out again. Many people, they go out. So it's doing the repetitive thing. The minute you enter into a trade, the question is, can you sustain if it can go up? If not, take your profit there. You're going in, wow, it's a sale. Thank you, doctor. Now, while you're still holding, are you able to sustain your account? Can your account, hold if it can do this? No, doctor, I don't have enough. Okay, take your profit here. It's going down, Dr. Shaya. Okay, you're still holding. Yes, I'm still holding. I want it to go further down. No problem, it will go further down. But are you ready for the account to go up? Does your account, your lot size that you open right now, allow you for when the price goes up? Can you still be in the game? No, I can't be. Okay, take your profit there. If yes, then hold. Then goes down. I'll tell you where the issue starts. The only issue can start when this happens. You see, when this happens now, price goes above. Actually, I'll make another video on this now. When you know that I this is not happening. Remember the spikes. All the spikes that we see here are all formed by the higher time frame. The higher time frame. Whenever you see a spike, it's a higher time frame. Higher time frame. You see. So, as a matter of fact, the spikes are a good sign. Because these are rejections. They're a good sign that this is going to continue. Okay, you know what? Thank you guys. Thank you so much. By the way, as you can see, the time is 6 o'clock on my side. As you can see here, the time is 6 o'clock on my side. I'm in India. I was just quickly showing you because someone was saying, hey doctor, this thing is going down and I just closed. You see, you'll end up closing all the time in the market and not making any profit, because the market, you just have to know that it goes down, goes up, down, goes up, down, goes up. I said, what does it do? It inhales and exhales. The market inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. As it's exhaling, are you able to manage your account while it's exhaling? I don't know. Guys, Dr. Efren Shaman, $50 to $1,000 challenge is on. The first 50 people to send me a WhatsApp to my number. As I told you, my number is +1 917 688 4232. Plus 50 people to send me a WhatsApp to say, doctor, we want to join your $50 to $1,000 challenge. You need to then fund your account urgently. Then I'll put you in that group. It's a small group, 50 people only. And then I just want to show people that it's possible to start with a small account. Quickly, I'm waiting for your messages. Let's see. I'll select very small amount of people now. Do you see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying now? Do you see what look what's happening? Do you see what I'm saying? But do you get me? I think now you understand what I was talking about. You see, let's check. You see now. You see. You see. It's straightforward. It's straightforward. And the last swing, when you talk about swing, what is a swing, by the way? A swing, it is where, what is the English word of swing? Swing. Remember when we used to play as kids, that swing, that thing where we are swinging. Yeah, so it's a swing. Where there is a swing, there is our take profit. That is our take profit. So that is our take profits. So the market first must, you as a trader, this thing of trying to predict the market, it doesn't work. You can't predict the future of Forex. Forget about it. But what you can do is to react to it. So when you react, so the market will go up, you leave it to go up. You don't want to predict that it will go up. You don't know. I'm talking about now, you just woke up in the morning. You don't know what's going to happen. You leave the market to go up. But you check what's going to happen from there now. So you'll probably see that the market goes down, or it can be vice versa. But for today, this is what happened. It goes up, it goes down. Actually, for this week. It goes up, it goes down. Then it goes up again, then it goes down. For me, I'm done. I already know that it's a downtrend. 1, 2, 1, 2, I'm done. Now I'm going to react. I'm waiting for another up, again, down. So it's up to you. How do you now know when to enter? Your entry. I can say you can, on the swing here, do a line. But you see, sometimes it doesn't get to that line where you can sell. So what do you do when it's like that? That is where you apply the Fibonacci, the Fib levels, where it will tell you that this, let me just do it practically now. Let's go practical. Let's go practical now. I think it's high time we do things practical. The Fib level, you put it from this point to this point. You see? The Fib level, at least, even there, the 61.8. But for GBP USD, you sell at, or you enter at 50%. 50%. Look what's happening now. So look at what's happening. You enter at 50%. Stop loss above 61.8. Guys, I want to go deeper and teach you some more things. I really feel like teaching people this thing. So even when you're part of this $50 to $1,000 challenge, at least you know what I'm looking at. This is just one of the strategies, but there's so many more. Okay, just go to your WhatsApp there and send me a WhatsApp there and just say Shaya, I'll release more videos just now. You see what I was saying? Do you see what I was saying? Do you see what I was saying? Let me just remove this.
SR flip. So it's only called the SR flip once price is below it, but when price is above it, it's called a support. So once price is below it, it's called an SR flip. So what is that? Support and resistance flip. So support becomes a resistance, so they flip. So now it's a resistance now. It's no more a support. It has become a resistance. So what was taking long to break, we start to call it an SR flip. It's not everything that is usually a SR flip. Usually I see some traders calling every trend line that gets broken an SR flip. But the truth is that it's only it gets qualified to call an SR flip because of the strength of that level. So if it takes so long, like it's been hours before price could break here, it's been taking long. So after it breaks with this sudden move, with this sudden, you see this, I said something will happen mysteriously, surprisingly, shockingly. I was talking about this kind of a thing out of nowhere, shwa, and people are in the buy, people are buying out of nowhere, bah, and then it becomes an SR flip. So now SR flip, it means that it is now the resistance. Now they're going to battle to break this now. And be aware, the SR flip actually it's a sniper play. It's a sniper. It's also a sniper. For example, let me sell now. Oh, by the way, you see a sell limit at the SR flip there, so I can get a sniper entry. So I'm expecting price to go down and match this one, this low here, and then even go further down. That's it. And if you study the price movements like me, looking at every single, and I mean every single tick of the movement, every single second you will start to you will start to even sense what I call on the book, not what I call on the book, what is written written on the book here. This book I told you about, it's called Fade of Momentum. You'll start to sense a fade of momentum. And when you start to sense a fade of momentum, meaning that the price starts to become weaker. The price starts becoming weaker. Becomes weaker, and you can feel it that it's weaker. It just becomes weaker. There's a fade of momentum. It's there on the book. As I said, this book is very powerful. Momentum in the market signifies a lot of behaviors such as gain or loss of strength. The most important thing in the market is to rate the state of the market condition. You listen to this one. Hope and belief don't work. Hey, as traders, you need to trade based on what you see, not what you think. Hey, what? The goal of trading is to project and anticipate. Hey. And we start to show examples. For example, in this picture below, we see a gain of momentum from a reversal zone. It shows that buyers came in. For future reference, we're expecting almost the same when price leaves at the level. Focusing on fading of bearish momentum, there was a momentum going down, but when the price approached our reversal zone, candles started to lose momentum and buyers came in which is where buyers are expected to come in. So in other words, what is written here, it says that as price comes closer, whether going up or going down, we are able to tell if the level will be powerful. And that is how I make my buy stops and my sell stops. So I'm able to tell just by eyes, just by looking, that the price will either break this level, or even respect it just by eye, just with my naked eye. But there are tools such as the order flow indicator and other tools. So as time goes, when people become serious, they will ask me and say, we want to learn. Even the teachers, the educators of Forex and trading, they will come to me and say to me, we want to learn your style of trading, because this style of trading is still not known or is not popular. But this book, someone asked me earlier on, it's my friend was going through the book. He says to me, are you not scared that I feel like this book must not be sold yet, because of this book, once it's held, but if the brokers can get this book, I say, relax, they won't finish us. Because of this knowledge in the wrong hands. I'm telling you, look what's happening. So this book, it's going to be nice if you can get this book with this one. Because of this book, this one now, it's nice because of this is now the art. This one is the art. It starts you from the beginning. It's good for beginners. This one is good for beginners, intermediate. This is strictly for advanced traders. If you're a beginner, you're going to get lost, because we talk about divergence 1 to 5 strategy, Wyckoff. We talk about things that we think that you already you already know some concepts. So we just brush up. Here we are looking for traders who say they know how to trade, but they are losing. We know how to trade, but we are losing. Yeah, we don't know how to trade. We don't know what is trading. We want to know at least how we can, So there are two things. There are two things that you can get in trading. You can get, you can learn how to trade, and you can also learn how to make money from trading. So both of these books now give you those options. Yeah, wonderful, good people. So both of these books give you those options, and then this one is available here. I was playing some music here. This one is available. Let me just show you where it's available. The other one, it's available here. This one, it's available on theartoftrading.org.
those people who are overseas, if you're out of South Africa, then you can go to Amazon. On Amazon, is also there on Amazon. So on Amazon, let me just go to Amazon. On Amazon, you just say Refoin. On Amazon, you see Refoin. You'll see it there. There we go. This is the one on Amazon. This is for international people. They can come to Amazon and buy this one. You can even have a look inside. If you have doubts, you can have a look inside and see what is happening inside the book, just for a taste. Yeah, this is me in person. You learn about things. Yes, this book is powerful. So the other one, then I'll tell you when it's coming out. But we won't sell a lot of this one. I don't want a lot of people to have this book yet. This one will print a few. So the lucky people really will get this book, because I just feel like, I'm talking about this one, I just feel like the knowledge, man, in this book, it's good and bad at the same time. So it mustn't be available too much in bulk, because of the wrong hands. They can reverse. There's something called reverse engineering. Reverse engineering, it is when someone tries to figure out how something works and reverses it. And that's what brokers have done with my other strategies. When I used to teach strategies about 6 years ago, 7 years ago, strategies, sometimes they don't work anymore, like the one that I used to have, very powerful strategy. So it started not to work because of now the brokers started to understand how it works, and they did just a reverse engineering on it, and they were able to tell that, oh, this guy is always looking for this method, and then it didn't work. All of a sudden, the strategy that even bought me some few machines. I said that price must come back here. Price must come here. Then from there, you'll see what is what. You'll give me a hand. You see what I'm saying? Before I forget, guys, we opened a channel here, Forex AMG channel. The channel is opened. Please come and support. You can start to subscribe. Just go to Forex AMG on YouTube. The channel is open. This is where we'll be teaching a lot of things. Very wonderful. Not only myself, but also other guys that I work with. My team as a whole. We will be teaching here, giving out the concepts and everything, you know. So yeah, come and subscribe on this channel. No videos yet. Many people don't know. I said, look. I said what? What did I say? Sha, yeah, man.